Hello Ramstam, thank you so much for clicking. I really appreciate your presence in this channel. To my new subscribers, you guys are highly welcome. To my oldies, you guys means a lot to me. Please feel free to watch my video, share if you can, tell your friend to tell their friend to subscribe to this channel. In today's topic, I'm going to share you a little bit about Kasane, the activities that we can do in Kasane Botswana. Kasane Botswana is a town in the northeastern corner of Botswana, near the borders with borders with Namibia, Zambia and Zimbabwe. It's a gateway to the Chobe National Park that is known of lots of elephants. You guys should know by now that Botswana is one of the countries with lots of elephants, guys. If you have watched my videos before, you can see that I always share with you how many elephants we have. We have lots of elephants here, which can even roam in our streets, guys. Just a week ago, one person in Gumare is I think some kind of 300 kilometers from here, was killed by an elephant. That was just a coincidence. They don't necessarily kill people, because elephants are not that rude. Maybe it was a coincidence, or it was something, or it was African magic. You guys know that African magic exists, right? I'm not laughing, but you guys should know by now that African magic works, though I don't believe in it. But that was just a small insight to show you guys that even if you are in Kasane, you will see elephants going straight into the village. But they don't necessarily mean that they are gonna kill you. No, just feel free. Trust your tour guide. Be with your tour guide. Listen to what he's saying. Don't try to talk to animals. Don't try to go out if you see animals. They are just as wild as you can think. So I'm going to share with you some of the activities that you can enjoy if you are here, guys. There are a lot of 5-star resorts and safaris in here, guys. You can, including the one that I'm working at. Yes. So let's get it, guys. Let's start. The first one that we are going to talk about is this particular one, which you are seeing. It was a boat cruise, a sunset boat cruise in the Chobe River, guys. That's the first thing that you can do when you are in Kasane. A 3-hour sunset boat cruise in Botswana. It costs less than $30, you guys, for an adult. The second one is a 3-hour game drive into the Chobe National Park to see those animals in their natural habitat, you guys. I don't know if you guys know how it feels to be interacting with nature. Maybe I'm a nature person, but if you are a nature person, you can enjoy that particular adventure, you guys. And the Chobe game drive is also $30 for an adult. The third one is a Vic Falls day trip from Kasane. You can go from here to the falls, Victoria Falls, you guys, in Zimbabwe. It's between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Yeah, we have an access to that nature reserve, you guys. The other one is a private game drive and Chobe River cruise. That one is only for you and your spouse, or the main people that you want to share your memory with in Botswana, you guys. You don't have to be with other people or mixing up with some people that you don't want to be with. Just you, your family, or you, your friends. Sometimes people come here with their friends. You want to have that time. They don't want to be disturbed and disrupted. So they book this private game drive and Chobe River cruise. It's $200, you guys, because $200 for an individual, 10 adults. Yes. Then the other one is full day Chobe Safari. Yeah, full day is wherever you are going to spend the whole day at the park, interacting with nature, taking photos, taking videos, doing whatever you want to do. And you will be served lunch there. Your catering company will come there and serve you with lunch. You're going to have to spend some time at the Sorondela restaurant in the park. That's where people always go and have some lunch there, eating with when you are seeing nature. How refreshing is that thing, you guys? Yeah, the other one, we have early morning drives. This one is the one that if you are so lucky, you will be seeing the cats, you guys. Cats always like early times. You will be seeing the lions or the cheetahs, you guys. This one, it's a must do, and it has been a while without doing it. The only problem I have about this one is that you have you have to wear something heavy. I don't know if it's me only, but every time when I go into the park, it's like it's a change of environment. I think maybe it's my mentality. You have to feel fresh air. You feel like, oh, I have to have taken something warm. You feel like I don't know if it's only me. I don't know how to explain this feeling, you guys. The environment changes completely. The air you breathe changes. I think it's because there are a lot of nature, a lot of animal, a lot of fresh plants out there. You feel like you need something extra warm. As you can see how green this environment is. Imagine yourself going through this lovely environment. Every time when I'm traveling from here to Gaborone is our city. The largest city in Botswana. It's Gaborone. Every time my kids stay there. Every time when I travel to Gaborone, I will feel like the air is getting different. Something is getting different. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to share with you this little insight. And if you want me to tell you about the prices of what do you call it, hotels and resorts in Kasane, I will definitely do it. There's no problem. And the other one, you can also have a one-night camping in Botswana. This one depends on you. You can camp in the national park with, I don't know how you guys saw that. This one I have never tested. I'm not going to try to sleep in the bush with elephants and lion. Imagine me sleeping and the lion is roaring on the other side. But if you are fond of nature, you're gonna enjoy this one. But I'm not scared. The other one is fishing. You can fish in this beautiful river, you guys. Fishing is also one of the activities you can do in Kasane. You can visit the Impalila camp. The Impalila camp is on the other side of Botswana, and it's on the Namibian side. If you are in Kasane and you want to visit Namibia, you can visit the Impalila camp. That's the Namibian side, you guys. And they always enjoy themselves. You guys will be hearing noise. They like doing that thing. Those people who are staying in Palila, they are living their best life, you guys. I should tell you. So those are the activities that I wanted to share with you about Kasane. But if you also a drinking person, you can go clubbing. We have a club in Kasane, you guys. Unfortunately, right now, alcohol sale is banned in Botswana. We are not drinking